Hi, Barry Devlin of Ninesight Consulting, here to talk about the second post of my Architectural Patterns series. This post focuses on the data lakehouse, with a short introduction on how to read and draw architectural patterns. The pattern I show here is one I drew in the early 90s to clarify the hub and spoke data warehouse design, and I still use it today. And in this blog, I compare it with a data lake pattern. I'm a big believer in architectural patterns, often called logical architectures, because they offer a shared language to describe and discuss how the system meets the business needs and suits the environment in which it must operate. Architectural patterns also describe the functionality of software systems in a generic way, preferably without mentioning specific products with all their explicit strengths and limitations. Sadly, architectures proposed by software vendors, and Data Lakehouse is defined by a vendor called Databricks, seldom provide complete or even useful architectural patterns. The image here is what I call a marketecture, a marketing-driven representation for the Lakehouse. In this case, its goal is to emphasize the relationship of the Lakehouse to earlier concepts. According to its designers, a data lakehouse combines the best elements of data lakes and data warehouses. In this post, I list the characteristics of the design from which an architectural pattern might be constructed. I explore how the lakehouse relates to earlier constructs and how it attempts to construct a data warehouse on top of a lake. But how do you build on a lake? How far does the lakehouse go to improve the data management and governance issues that regularly transform data lakes into swamps? What business needs does it support? And in what computing environment is implementation most suited? Read my blog to understand the pros and cons of the data lakehouse approach and discover if it really does offer the best of both worlds.